Hello everyone, I am Asikhari and this is how to cast your smartphone screen to your PC, which helps the user to discern, mirror or share from one device's screen to other devices like PC to Android or Android to PC and etc. To discern the mirror or share from Android screen to other Android devices or PC, users are required to use screen mirroring apps. On the Google Play Store, there are several mirroring apps to cast from Android devices to PC or any other Android devices. So in this video I'm gonna show you the best app for Android screen mirroring, which is the Visor. Okay, this is the Visor step. You can download this using the below link in the description, and now open it. Please wait to complete the installation. Okay guys, now the Visor is successfully installed, and let's jump to configure your smartphone. Go to your smartphone screen settings, and here at the bottom of this menu, here is about phone and software information. Here is the build number. Press this build number 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now this is must for the security pin. Type your security pin here. Now the developer mode is turned on. Another menu appeared in here, developer options. Go to developer option, and in here turn on the USB debugging. Okay, now connect your smartphone using a USB cable to your PC. After allowing USB debugging prompt on your smartphone will appear in here, and you can view your smartphone screen using this button. Press this. Okay, here is your smartphone screen and you can use it. Okay guys, this is a smartphone screen mirroring or screen casting using the Visor app. Thank you for watching and share the video.